stop paying for a dozen different AI tools. This brand new platform called Remaker AI is rolling up nearly every generator, editor, and video tool into one single space. If you can imagine it, this AI can probably create it. Today, we're putting this entire ecosystem to the test. We're talking about next-level photo editing, deepfake video creation, and turning simple text prompts into full-blown video clips. Let's dive in and see what this new creator toolkit is all about. Right when you go on the website, you can see AI photo generators. You can create AI avatars, generate professional LinkedIn profile pictures, make funny memes, or even generate designs for tattoos and logos. It's all about instantly creating content from a prompt. First up is the classic face swap. Remaker has entire sections dedicated to swapping faces in photos, videos, and even multiple faces at once. I'm going to try a video face swap. I'll upload a short clip and then upload this picture of myself as the source face. And boom! The AI seamlessly integrates my face into the video, preserving the lighting and head movements. The quality here is really impressive. Okay, now let's onto their editing and enhancement tools. They have essential features like a background remover, magic eraser for removing objects, and even an image upscaler to boost resolution. But deep within the photo editing tools is one interesting feature: Nano Banana. The Nano Banana editor is Remaker's heavy hitter for custom image manipulation. Think of it as a conversational image editor where you just tell the AI what you want. I'll upload this photo of a person and use a complex prompt. I want it to tell it, put this person into a 1920s jazz club, sitting at a table with dramatic, low-key lighting, wearing a vintage tuxedo. Look at that, it's an entirely new scene. It not only redressed the person, but completely changed the background, ambiance, and lighting, all while keeping the subject consistent. That's next-level editing. Now let's switch entirely to video, where Remaker has just as many options. They can do everything from generating AI music and full AI video clips, to enhancing old footage with the video enhancer, and even creating an AI voice clone. But for our focus, we're testing the two fastest video creation methods. Starting with text to video. You just divot a script or an idea and it spits out a short clip. I'll enter a drone shot of a futuristic neon city at sunset with flying cars. Perfect for visualizing ideas or quickly generating B-roll. And then there's pic to video, which takes a still image and animates it. I'll upload the scenic photo and tell the AI, add a gentle, subtle camera pan and make the clouds move slowly. It brings your static images to life with motion. So there you have it. Remaker AI is an impressively feature-rich platform. Whether you need an instant logo, a professional headshot, a next-gen photo editor like Nano Banana, or powerful video tools, this site is trying to be your one-stop shop. What do you think about this AI? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press that subscribe button.